What's up you guys, my name is Ryan and today I'll be showing you how to do reverse floor rolls. A prerequisite that you're going to want to have for this move is a reverse vertical 8 or a reverse 2-beat. Now whenever you go into this move, it is quite simple. You are passing it back and forth between your hands in a reverse figure 8, and then you're going to lean close to the floor, and then whenever you're getting ready to flick, you're going to go on the second beat of your figure 8, flick up so the Flowstar could come in between your legs, and then you're going to catch in a reverse figure 8 as well. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you at the next one.